Student, today we will perform an experiment to verify law of conservation of mass. Who gave this law? Antony Lavoisier gave this law. For this purpose, we take something as like test tube, beaker, electrical balance, chemical reagent, barium chloride, and sodium sulfate, etc. These are the material required for this experiment. What is the principle? What is the principle? Total mass of the reactant is equal to total mass of the product. Total mass of the reactant is equal to total mass of the product. Here we take barium chloride and sodium sulfate. These are the reactants. When barium chloride reacts with sodium sulfate, then barium sulfate and sodium chloride are formed. These are the reactants and these are the product. We will make an observation table here. Observation table. Serial number, mass of the reactant and mass of the product. First of all, we take a test tube. There is how to perform the practical. We see, all of you see, these are empty test tube and this is beaker. Here this is electrical balance. Okay, how to use electrical balance? We use here. All of you see the reading. It is visible to all of you. Reading.
बोलेगा तो हम यहाँ रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं.
Visible reading. Okay. Make it 0. Make it 0.
It is 0.
0. Then we take test tube, empty test tube and empty beaker and here. Make it 0 again by using
Air.
it is 0. It is 0. Then we will use barium chloride in a test tube. In a test tube and sodium sulfate in other test tube. Here see. And take the weight of reactant. What is the weight? Weight is about 8.2 gram. 8.2 to 8.4. We take 8.3 gram. We will take mass of the reactant is 8.3 gram. Here we will write 8.3 gram. Okay, we will take 8.3 gram mass of the reactant and then we will mix both test tube with each other. Here a precipitate is formed. After the reaction, a precipitate, white precipitate is formed. The reaction complete. Okay, I will take the mass of the product here. All of you see the mass of the product, weight and see what is the mass of the product. It is about 8.3. It is about 8.3 because there is some fluctuation here of air. This is 8.3 gram. Okay, here mass of the reactant is equal to mass of the product. Okay. we will perform it about 2 or 3 times. Here again we use 2 test tube. Here see, it may be 0. Okay, we will take barium chloride in a test tube and sodium sulfate in another test tube, and take the mass of the reactant. What is the value? 8.2 gram. 8.2 gram. Again we
वही
perform
8.2 and 8.4 वही फ्लक्चुएशन चल रहा है.
okay. Here this is the any change, precipitate is formed. This is precipitation reaction. We will again find the mass of the product. Please see the mass of the product. The mass of the product is about 8.2 and 8.3. This is the value 8.2 gram. Okay, here clear? Mass of the reactant, here mass of the reactant is equal to mass of the product. This is the result. Mass of the reactants equal to mass of products. Okay, some precaution we will take, that if heat and energy are released during this time, we use a closed vessel for the performance of the practical. Okay, because if heat and energy are released, then mass of the reactant will change. Mass of the reactant will change. This is the practical to verify law of conservation of mass. Okay, thank you.